Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day to my honorable judges. Today I would like to present on my invention with the title of carbon dioxide CO2 capture using the Downflow gas contactor or DGC vector. I am Associate Professor Dr. Midhat Nabil bin Ahmad Salimi from the Faculty of Chemical Engineering Technology, University Malaysia Police, UNIMAP. This is an invention between me and my ex-PhD supervisor in the UK, Dr. Sugat W. Mahase. He has now retired from the academic world and opened his own engineering firm with the name of WRK Design and Services Limited UK. The Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs were announced by the United Nations to meet the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. So for this MTE 2021 Sustainable Development Goal SDG International Innovation Awards, I'm going to participate under category 4, which is Environment and Natural Resources. More specifically, for SDG goal number 13, climate action, with the aim to reduce global warming emissions. So I would like to start with what is global warming. Global warming is rising of global average temperatures. So the obvious effects of global warming are higher temperatures and more heat waves and rising sea level. So global warming is a major concern among all the countries in the world at the moment. Carbon dioxide's invisibility is what causes global warming. Greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide are invisible to visible light, letting sunlight pass through our atmosphere and warm the earth. However, greenhouse gases act like a blanket, trapping some of the Earth's heat as it escapes back out to space. Burning fossil fuels adds extra greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. Lastly, these extra gases trap more heat, causing global warming. In the year 2017, the major causes of CO2 emissions were from the transportation sector, which contributed 47%, industrial contributed another 23%, and electricity generation contributed 18%. In terms of countries with the largest global CO2 emissions, this was led by China and followed by US, India, and Russia. Surprisingly, Malaysia was ranked at number 26 for the largest source of greenhouse gases in the world. Naturally, the emitted CO2 are absorbed by plant and trees for about 25% capture and another 25% capture by the oceans. So the remaining 50% CO2 emitted are released to the atmosphere. Oceans absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, creating carbonic acid in the waters. So this is the chemical interactions between carbon dioxide and water. So for my invention, Downflow gas contactor DGC reactor is a downflow co-current device consisting of a cylindrical upper section and inverted conical lower section. The novelty is that it has a specially designed entry section or SDI for gas input at atmospheric or higher pressure as shown at the top of the image on this slide. High velocity liquid input to the entry section generates intense shear and energy and produces a highly agitated gas liquid dispersion with increased interfacial area and improved mass transfer. So this reactor mimics the natural absorption of CO2 by the ocean. These are the pictures of gas liquid dispersion in DGC reactor with respect to their respective solution. This is an image of a fully equipment of DGC reactor unit. And these are testing results from actual industry. As shown here is trials with salt water where the flue gas containing CO2 had an initial concentration of 360 ppm and it went down to 10 ppm after just 10 minutes. Another testing that were carried out with a special made liquid which is known as absorbent solution or absorb. In this testing, a higher amount or a higher concentration of CO2, which was 460 ppm, was totally absorbed into this solution, where the reading was 0 ppm after just 20 minutes. This is a comparison table between DGC and conventional technologies, and it showed that DGC has most advantages as compared to conventional technologies. We have already obtained a patent granted with the title of apparatus and method for sequestering a gas for this invention. I also had signed a Memorandum of Agreement or MOA between me and WLK Design and Services in 2015. In terms of publications, there are few publications that were published in reputable and well-known journals such as Royal Society of Chemistry and Catalyst Today. In terms of achievements, this invention had won several awards at numerous research exhibitions locally and internationally, such as winning the first prize at Innovation Pitch and Business Matching (IPBM) 2019, organized by the Malaysian Investment and Development Authority or MIDA. The biggest achievement was winning the grand prize, which was the higher prize at Seoul International Invention Fair, and also the gold prize and special award at SIF 2017. And also it had won a gold medal at ITEX 2016. In terms of commercialization, the Reactor had been sold in the UK, Sweden, Canada, New Zealand, and India. The carbon capture and sequestration market was valued at $4 billion in 2018 and is projected to reach $14 billion by 2025. Not only that, we hope that by inventing this invention, it can achieve the SDG goal number 13, which is climate action, with the aim to reduce global warming emission. Thank you for spending your time listening to my presentation. Have a nice day.